Is an introduction really necessary for someone we all know so well?
Point out some more when I'm actually learning to. And it's got like a bunch of zippers everywhere, zippers on the sleeves, and
is a little much for the office. No.
zippers.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do an office tour. Okay, so as you can see, I'm here at work, and this is my workspace. Here, can't let y'all see like personal information and stuff. And here's my other side of my desk. And up here, my stuff, my lunch bag, my purse. I used to have a bunch of stuff in it, so that's why the bag is so big. And then my cabinet drawers, so I have all of the stuff here. Oh, the drawers get kind of tricky, and then all this stuff here. I know it looks a little bit, just a little bit unorganized, but hey. Then that book. Drawer, okay, and then out here I keep all my snacks and my kettle that I just brought today. And then this drawer, just whatever stuff. And then here's my card. I have to go out sometimes to the dock to collect packages and stuff. And then this is the office. This is my coworker. She sits here. And then over here is the workbench. I usually, what do you call that? Send off packages or parts to other facilities. This is my diffuser. This is the oil that I use for my diffuser. So everybody says it smells real good. I can't smell anything right now because my allergies and stuff. I haven't been able to smell it over a month. This is the batteries, the charging station for the batteries for our radio. I have a radio on my desk. All these are cabinets for parts for the machines. All of this, parts for the machines, computers too, because there's a computer monitor. I don't know why they brought this in here, because this sucker is broke. But there's a computer tower right there. More parts, and more parts all around. And this is my overstock area. So like stuff that it can't fit in the drawers, I usually just sit it right there. Gloves. No, the custodians, gloves for the custodians. Sometimes operations borrow gloves from us when they run out. And then this is just the junk area that needs to be straightened out. Here is supplies in these cabinets. So, and right here. So this cabinet have gloves in it. These cabinets, office supplies and whatever. This is our filing cabinets for all the paperwork. Let's see what else. And we have cameras for the outside. You can see basically outside the facility. Printer, fax, and then our wonderful copier, and then this shredder, and then this computer. The mechanics usually come over there and use that computer to find parts or whatever stuff. So, yep. So this is my whole setup now that permanently in here. My chair, my cushion, and y'all seen this before in my little short. I'm gonna get this is a leopard too. I just bought this calculator. Then I have my little crystal apples. So yep, this is my office. And then I have my heater, the other one I was using yesterday. Oh my God, that damn thing caught a fire. Like literally the thing caught a fire. Let me show y'all the plug. Scared the hell out of me. I threw it in the trash. Here's the plug. Look at this, y'all. Look. that damn thing caught a fire. That scared the hell out of me. But yep. This is my little work area. Never mind that right there. That's I keep my cleaning supplies, disinfectant sprays. So people are always sick, and then they come in here and spread their germs around and stuff. Every time I've had COVID, I've gotten it from work. So I keep sprays. Let me show y'all. I keep sprays. This is actually bleach. Don't sleep on bleach. Bleach kills anything. My Lysol spray. My bleach wipes. Here's more spray. Germ-X hand sanitizer. I had to go clean up my lockers today too. And then my files up here. These are actually brand new. So. And then this stuff, I don't know what I'm gonna put in this. Aesthetically, it looks cute, but you know. So yep, and here's my computer. Again, I only get too close, so because I can't share personal information. So yep, this is my office space, and this is all the stuff. This stuff, we keep this shit here. We keep this stuff here. This is usually the boxes, not usually, but these are the boxes that parts come in. So when we take them out and store them, we used to keep the boxes so that we can ship off repairable parts to the center so they can repair and send us back. So that's why that looks like that. So, yep, y'all, this is my office space.